click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can bypass FRP lock on Galaxy J56 if you get YouTube update message. First of all, we need to connect our mobile with Wi-Fi. So I am giving here my password and connect it. As you can see, our mobile is connected with Wi-Fi. Now plug your USB cable with computer and open Samsung FRP tool, and you can see drivers are installing now. After install drivers, you just click on bypass FRP, click OK. This will show pop-up message on your screen. If Samsung tool doesn't work for you, disable driver signature and restart PC. Now as you can see, click on view. As you can see here it is asking for YouTube update, so we need to fix it. Turn off your mobile and you need to hard reset your mobile. For that, press home button, volume up button and power key together. Leave the power button and keep pressing volume up and home. Then you will get in the recovery mode. As you can see, now you are in recovery mode. We need to format our mobile. For that, click on wipe data factory reset, yes, and reboot system now. Now our phone is hard resetted. I fast forward the video so we can finish it fast. Now as you can see, we are in home screen. I select language English, click OK. Now we connect our mobile with PC and do not connect Wi-Fi yet. Just click on next, and here it will show Wi-Fi. Click on OK, turn on Wi-Fi. We just need to put our password, but don't connect it yet. I give my password here. Okay, but I will not connect it yet, because if I connect it earlier, it will go to YouTube update again. So now first we need to click on bypass FRP, click OK. Now immediately connect Wi-Fi. As you can see, do it same as I did. Click on view. Now it will let you go to internet browser. If we connect our Wi-Fi earlier, so it will show you YouTube update. So keep it in mind, if it comes again, you need to hard reset your mobile again and repeat the process. So hope it will work for you. Now we are in browser. So here we need to search for FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. So I search here FRP Faisal. FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. Here is the first link from faisalmobile.com. Click on it and you will go to my website. Here we need to scroll down and we need to just download the TechnoCare settings. Here is the TechnoCare settings. Just click on it and download it. Now click on bookmarks, history, download history, and here is our file is downloading. Wait for it to download it. It's not completed yet. Now it's completed. Click on it. Settings, give permission. Unknown source is okay. Now next, install. It's going to install now. Wait for it to finish the installation. Now click done. Now go back to faisalmobile.com. Go back again carefully. Now we just need to click on open a settings app. Click on it. It will let you go to settings. Now click on security, lock screen and security here. Now click on other security settings, device administration. Find My device should be deactivate. Now go back again, and apps, and here we need to disable Google Play services. So we need to find Google Play services and disable it. It's disabled now. Go back again. Now we need to open a cloud and accounts. Click on accounts, add account, Google. Now we need to give our Gmail ID and password here. You can give any of your Gmail ID and password, no problem at all. Just I am giving my Gmail ID over here, and now I give here my password. Click on it and it's now logging, and our account is going to add. As you can see, our account is added now. Now we just need to go back and apps, and need to enable Google Play services. Click on it, enable it, go back again, and we need to lock screen and security, other security settings, and then device administration. Click on it. Here is device administration. Now we turn on Find My device. That's all. It's almost done here. We need to go back to home screen, or you can restart your mobile, no problem at all. I am just going back to home screen, or you just simply turn off your mobile or restart, whatever you want. So I restarted my mobile. So we just need to set up our mobile now, and it will let you bypass your FRP lock, and you can use your mobile normally, no problem. So it will take a little bit time. If you get YouTube update message again, so you need to hard reset your mobile again and try it again. It will work 100%. I tried on many devices, so you don't worry about that. If it comes again, you can hard reset it again and try this method. Hopefully it work for you. So keep it in mind, do not connect Wi-Fi before, and don't skip video. There is one important step left. So our phone is now started up, and as you can see, it's loading. Now you can see our phone is completely bypassed FRP lock, and now you can use your mobile freely. There is no FRP lock. So you need to uninstall TechnoCare setting. First of all, you go to apps and uninstall the TechnoCare setting which we installed before. Otherwise you need to hard reset your mobile again. Just uninstall TechnoCare trick and you are all done. As you can see, I am going to uninstall it. Now our all process is done, and it's completely bypassed our phone. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.